Hi singers, I know it can be super frustrating to sing out of tune. Today I'm going to share with you 3 common reasons for pitchy singing and how to fix it. Welcome to Singgeek. My name is Peterson and I'm here to geek out on your voice. So pitchiness can just be so frustrating. It really makes you doubt yourself, it makes you self-conscious, and I've even heard some people that they just stop singing because they feel like they can't figure it out. But there are common reasons for this and common fixes. So let's look at the 3 most common reasons for pitchiness and how you can fix it. Here's reason number 1. The first thing to look at when experiencing pitchiness is your ear. As singers, our instrument is different than, for example, the guitar, where you can see the note that you're playing. We can only hear what we're playing. We can't see anything. So that is why your ear is so important. It is literally the only tool you have to tell you if you're singing something wrong or right. If you're having trouble telling if you're on pitch or off pitch, it can either be that you're tone deaf or that you just have an untrained ear. Now, very few people are tone deaf, but it is quite common to just have an untrained ear. Let's do a quick test together right now to see if you can hear the difference between when I sing in tune and when I sing out of tune. If you can hear the difference, then you're not tone deaf. Your ear just needs a little more training. I'm going to sing along with 3 piano notes, and one of them is going to be off. Now, I was scared that my facial expressions was going to give off the answer, so instead the background will be this cute little cat right here. Here's the 3 notes. So which one of the 3 pitches was off? Let us know in the comments below. If you are able to hear it, then you're not tone deaf. Your ear just needs a little bit more practice. I have some practice exercises on my blog, and the link is in the description below. Now we're on to the second most common reason for pitchy singing, and that is that even though your ear is trained, you forget to use it. This is probably the most common reason that I see for pitchy singing in my students. To use your ear, you have to sing the notes in your head. So there's 2 steps here. One is identifying with your trained ear what note is it that I should be singing right now, and then thinking about singing it. When you think about singing a note, your muscles will adjust to make that note, and then the note will come out the right way. So practice that. The more you practice your pitches with different exercises, the quicker you will be at adjusting your muscles to the pitch that you want. So there's a vocal exercise track that you can try out right here. The link to that track will also be at the end of this video. The third common reason for pitchiness when you sing is that you have chosen a song to sing that is too hard for your current level of vocal skill. So lack of breath support and not so good resonance in your voice are big culprits of flat singing. And so it might be that you have pretty good breath support and resonance in your voice when you're singing the vocal exercises that you're working on. So your pitch is great there. But then you get to a really hard song, something by Ariana Grande or Christina Aguilera, and you're trying to hit all those fast notes and riffs and runs, and you're running out of breath, and you can't place your resonance in all the places. You simply just don't have time to hear each note in your head before you have to sing it. So try something that's a little bit easier and try and see how that goes with your pitch. And then every time you master a song, you move on to something a little bit harder, a little bit harder, a little bit harder. I have a list up here with 5 easy songs to sing for female singers that you can try out. See if you can master one of those songs and enjoy sounding good with your voice when you sing it. And then you can practice and you become better and you won't have pitchiness. So those are 3 common reasons for singing pitchy. So number 1, that you have a little bit of an untrained ear that you need to train a little bit more. Number 2, you're forgetting to use this ear of yours. And number 3, that you've just been choosing songs that may be a little bit too hard, so try something easier and your pitch will start improving. Right here next to me I have a playlist with vocal exercises for you to train singing on pitch. And right here I have a subscribe button that I would love for you to hit. Join me here at Singgeek every week as we continue to geek out on your voice to create the sound that you want.